Hey, how's it going, everybody? This is actually addressed to me in handwriting from none other than, wait for it, Ricky Russo. Yeah, if that's his autograph, I'm gonna keep that. It's in a PWE, but he just sent me inserts or something, so it's not a big deal. I'm just gonna put the phone down while I carefully tear into this envelope. Ricky, I didn't win your contest, but you still sent me something. It's really a nice thing to do. I appreciate anything you sent my way. It's really didn't have to do that, to be honest. Wow. Look at this. This is what I see. Install ink. Ricky Russo. Alright, there's the autograph. I'm going to save that one. And he sent me a freaking autograph card, even though I didn't win anything, of Drew Storen. I believe this is from Museum. Yep, it is. Nice on-card auto. I'm going to take this install ink off. It looks like it's a sticky note. It's pretty sick. I'm going to put that somewhere nice. But look at that. I don't know if you saw the video about him helping out the dude who needed some money. He's in a bad situation. But, Ricky, you're a great role model to all the younger guys out there. I'm actually not, like, one of the younger guys or one of the older guys. I'm kind of in between. Not too young, not too old. But I have a lot going on with me. I'm actually getting my first car. And I was stressed out about what kind of car I wanted to buy. And that video you showed really showed me how much of a douche I was being for not just being grateful for just the ability to pick a car instead of being stressed out about, quote-unquote, having to pick a car. I mean, so many people wish they could have that luxury, and I do. I'm getting an old used car, but it's still amazing. So I'm very grateful, and Ricky, I'm very grateful for this. I appreciate it very much. And yeah, Drew Storen has a really cool autograph, I think. Looks like a cyclone or something. That's pretty sick. Numbered at a $3.99 on card from Museum for free from Ricky. So again, Ricky, can't thank you enough. Everyone, if you're not subscribed to him, then I don't even know. But go subscribe to him if you're not. I expect you are, because, he's the man around here. So, yeah, Ricky, I appreciate it. And, man, I don't know what to say. Just a good dude. So, yeah, thanks for the view, you guys. Been trying to, say this outro for, full 30 seconds now. But, yeah, I'll see you guys later.